This video walks you through the process of resubmitting a practice experience document. In each of your PE classes, you will submit a request for practice experience form in week 1 and a PE record in week 8. The request for PE form is a document that you complete in order to show your PE coordinator how you intend to complete the required activities in your class. The PE record is a document that confirms your completed PE activities and includes a personal reflection on what you have learned through the practice experience activities. Your first submission of the request for PE document may be denied by a PE coordinator because you need to change the number of PE hours requested, or you need to account for different suggested activities. A PE record submission may be denied on the first attempt because your PE hours are not listed correctly or your personal reflection is not included. If you are asked to resubmit, please edit the document based on the PE coordinator's feedback. Go to the submission page in your classroom and submit the document again. It is important to resubmit documents in your classroom because they cannot be accepted through email to faculty members. After resubmitting the document in your classroom, please email practicum@americansentinel.edu with your name and course number included in the email title and signature, and state that you have resubmitted your document for approval. A PE coordinator will then be able to find your resubmitted document and approve it or give additional feedback. If you have questions about editing certain portions of your form, please review your program's PE Quick Start Guide or contact your Student Success Advisor.